G'day guys, this is just a quick video on how to do all your interior lights for a SZ Mark II Territory. Will probably be pretty similar for a SZ as well. So to start with, we got these front two ones. You pretty much just want to get a flathead screwdriver and get up in the middle here and just sort of pry it off. So just like that, there we go. Yeah, so I've got these to replace them. So basically just to take these out, I'm swapping to an LED. You basically just want to sort of give it a wiggle, pull it out. That's it. All right, now we got these middle ones. So I wouldn't bother fucking around trying to get this off. Pretty much just try and sort of get up here. You might need your screwdriver. Get up here and sort of just try and just slide it forward. That's all you need to do. There goes that. All right, so you got that one. That one will just pull out. But this one, basically what you want to do is just pull it off. And then from here, you can take these back bits off. They just twist out. I'll try to do this with one hand. All right, yeah, they just twist out. And then they're the same blade style as the front ones. So, and then just chuck it back in when you're done. Sorry, one tip on that. It's a lot easier if you just unplug this whole thing. Then you can sort of work on it without it dangling. So, give me 2 seconds. Oh, yeah. All right, we got that. So, yeah, just want to change them and then chuck it back in. So, I have already changed this back one as well, but I'll show you anyway. This one's pretty easy. Pretty much you just want to get in the corner there and then sort of get it down. And then, yeah, you can basically, you can just pull that out from there and then replace it. Just, this is the only one you want to be careful of because you can short the circuit. So if you do that, you're going to want to, you'll probably have blown the fuse. So you're going to want to maybe disconnect your battery before you start taking all these lights out. Alright, so for this one, this is a glove box one. The easiest way to change this is probably to take the glove box out. So you just sort of want to give it a good yank on each side until it falls down. Might be a bit scary, but just bear with yourself. We'll put that aside. Oh. Put that aside for now. And then you can see up in there, oh, if I can get the camera right. Fuck. There you go. It's just a globe there. So if you don't want it to get too hot while you're changing it, and you've got the car door open, just push the little button here and it'll turn the light off for you as you change it. But yeah. Alrighty, and there you have it, folks. That should be all your lights. Switch to, these are all changed to LED lights now. So I hope that helped. You know, you'll still have to fight with the bulbs a bit, but I'm hoping that you can sort of figure that out as you go. They are just pretty standard generic bulbs. So I just sort of wanted to show you guys how to take the trim plastic pieces off because it's not always that intuitive. So yeah, hope it helped.